So how to have this effective collaboration with remote locations? I'm Jordi Robert Reeves, founder of Connecting Perspectives. We help executives achieve effective collaboration within their companies. Thanks, Sylvia, for your great reply, which mentions that we should avoid unfair advantage. And that's having everyone remote in the teams. However, how does this translate into our corporations? It's not easy to have everyone remote. Headquarters will always be headquarters, and remote locations will not be at headquarters, by definition. So how do we achieve this face-to-face trust? Very hard to achieve it in the informal communications, the water cooler. However, for formal meetings, we should try to do it. One way we found a customer of ours, that's a big bank, with locations in 5 different countries in Asia. What they do is senior executives meet once a week, first day of the week, for half an hour to 45 minutes. And that's the executives from headquarters and one executive from each of the countries, the top executives. However, there's not the standard video conference where headquarters are all in the same room. In that case, each executive in their office have the handset, the telephone on the desktop includes video conference facility. And every executive eats by their own, in their own office. So the unfair advantage is avoided. Can you replicate this? Of course, very easy nowadays. With the smartphones, all have video conference facilities. The important thing to remember when you're having these video conferences to bridge with remote locations is the following golden rule. One person, one device. This avoids the unfair advantage. Keep connecting new and remote perspectives.